Who wrote the Quran?
Muslims believe the Holy Quran is the direct word from Allah, the one supreme God. The first words were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by an angel while the Prophet was in a cave where he would often go to meditate. The angel said, "Iqra," meaning read or recite. The Prophet did not know how to, but the angel said this again and again. This was the first revelation of the Quran, and thereafter the angel would come to the Prophet to tell him portions of it. It did not happen all at once, but took approximately 23 years for the whole Quran to be revealed. The Prophet would then tell his followers. Some of them learnt it by heart, and others, who could write, wrote it down. Every year, the angel Gabriel, or Jibrail, would go over with the Prophet, peace be upon him, all that had been revealed so far. Over time, many of the early Muslims and companions who had learnt the Quran were dying out, either because of battles or because of natural causes. So, it was especially important to preserve the Quran for future generations. And so the process of collecting all the written down portions and checking it with different people who had learnt it began. It was then compiled into one book, and this process was completed in the Caliph Uthman's time as leader. Lots of people do not believe that the Quran is word for word from Allah, and they say the Prophet must have made it up himself. They also accuse him of using other holy books and borrowing stories from them. If there are similarities, it is because Islam believes in all the prophets, so that is why some of them have been correctly mentioned too.
And this is a book which we have sent down, full of blessings.
Anna has a question.